Hi friends, I have one more book for you this week, and it is called The Earth Book. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I could see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowman to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Look at the aliens. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Look, here's some ways you can help take care. Turning off lights, recycling, saving leftovers, being nice to worms, sharing a book, planting a tree, using both sides of the paper to make a picture, saving water, cleaning up the trash, and putting your underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Okay, there you go. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. The end. All right, friends, I hope you liked that book. If you want, go ahead and look through all the pictures again. Tell me all the different animals you see. Look, there's an owl, and there's a little rubber ducky. So go ahead, you parents, moms, dads, aunts, uncles, you can go ahead and pause it and ask your child different questions about the story. Ask them what colors are in the picture. Ask them what the kids are doing. Ask them what they do when they do it. Ask them to show you that maybe you can practice. But yeah, I hope you guys all liked the story. Bye.